Ah. That was good.
That was. And then squeeze. Squeeze. Good.
Oh, I heard a little one.
I
don't know how that works, but it happened.
So let's start at the top.
Yeah.
Okay, what is going on with the jaw? Is that no, that was secondary. What's the first?
The first is just like everything like in my back, cause like, and I also notice like when I stretch, I can't do more than this, and then when I go up, like my right hand will go right here. That's it. I can't go any further. This also like I can like adjust it and go up, but like normal movement is like stuck.
Now you go ahead and lift your arm up.
Let's see, yeah.
Now what do you have to do to adjust it?
Like I have to
raise your shoulder.
Raise it, put it back down, and then put it back up. So it's definitely like blocked, like right there.
Now you relax for a second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold your shoulder down. It does.
Right.
Oh, look at that. That's from underneath though.
Yeah.
That's from under here. So I'll do a little trick here. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. See that?
Oh.
You're cured. You're free to go. I'm kidding.
That was.
I can feel it from. It won't last for long. Okay.
Oh.
I gotta really make sure that it stays.
Gotcha.
So yeah, it's just a little trigger point there.
That was nice. I was not expecting that. I was like, huh? Just like.
No, relax your feet.
Mm-hmm.
Now guess which one's flared.
Like flared? As in, what do you mean by flare?
Oh, I'm sorry. Turned out.
Oh, this side.
That one. When you were standing, it was that one.
Oh.
Because now the pelvis is locked.
Yeah.
When you were walking, it was still right.
Yeah.
But now that you're on your back, I don't know, can you see that? See how this one's winged out? That is his pelvis. That's not the foot flare. Yeah. You see that? Now lift your leg straight up, left leg straight up. And down. And right leg. And down. Now, let the jaw go lax a little bit. I try to like push it in.
Yeah, but it has a different sensation from the right with the left. Left feels like locked up when I'm like relaxed.
Oh, it feels locked when I'm doing this?
Well, not that. But when you do the
Adjustment?
Yeah, adjustment.
This?
Yeah, see, like this side feels like a smooth plane, and this side feels like it has joints and surfaces and all that.
There you go. I'm clearing it out. It's coming up.
Yeah.
But then we get to just the bone. This is where the adjustment comes in.
Whew. That was good.
That is so
I felt it in my stomach too. It went all the way down here.
Oh,
that was
that
good.
might have been adrenaline. I don't know.
No, I felt the cracks in my like ribs and everything.
Oh, it
was good.
Pretty powerful. It's not as bad as the right. Nowhere near. Chin back for me.
Oof. Yep, the other side was worse.
Yeah, that was just a piece of cake.
Yep.
There's more blockage on the right.
Yep.
Okay. I know. One more. Okay.
Ooh, I felt the last one.
Take you right to the edge. And then we back off. Start over again. There's that T. That's that left high shoulder. We'll deal with you later. I'll come back to it. Sorry, we're all over the place today. Oh, are you okay?
Yep.
Sorry. I just need to spend a little bit more time here. I got you. Turn. Got, and back, head back.
Ooh, I had a little crack.
Yeah, I was going to say I didn't quite get it. I was about to adjust it again. Por fin. That's Spanish for finally.
Huh.
Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. What does this tell me? This is proprioception. Above, down, inside out. Here you go.
Ooh.
Okay, middle toe doesn't gonna go. You have feet like me.
Huh.
Where your second toe is longer.
Oh,
than
yeah. Huh. Way longer.
Yeah. 20,
Oh, good.
20% of the population.
Yeah.
I know, these are the things I put people in like statistical categories.
I love cracking things.
Oh, then you came to the right place.
Yeah.
And again.
No, yeah. Doesn't work for the second one.
No,
I don't know why.
it's because I know the answer to this. Because I myself have a second toe that's longer. We tend to place, and you'll frequently find calluses right underneath that second toe.
Yeah.
Our weight, because we don't have that longer toe,
Yeah.
our weight is distributed to the second toe, and therefore it doesn't pop.
Oh,
Okay,
Yeah.
because it's always being squeezed out, so to speak.
yeah.
The weight is being applied to that second toe. That's very cool.
Yeah,
See, that one
and
does
it
just
pops
fine.
like normal. Ooh.
Okay,
Oh,
most
that one was good. The
most
last one was good.
baby toe.
Yeah.
Most people's first toes don't crack.
Oh.
Yours do, because your weight isn't being applied to there; it's being applied.
Yeah.
Easy.
Oh. That was good. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
Bend your knee. Good. Tibia. Ooh, flexible.
Yeah.
Look at that side. Good. Perfectly fine. Oh, and it cracked on the downside. But look to the left. Woo. About 50% more range of motion there than this side. That's-
There's a little tight.
Okay.
I feel like it's going like this.
Yeah, it's okay. We haven't fixed the bottom
Oh.
part, but your range of motion has
Like way better.
yeah, doubled.
Than the
So we're
first
good.
one,
We're
yeah.
good. We're good. Yep, PI ilium on the left. Over here.
Yeah, like I feel more painful at the left.
Okay, this side is just way more prominent here. But when he lays down, the little ribs start to come up here. So lean back for me a little bit. Does that hurt up in here?
No.
No? But let's just go straight back. Straight back for me. But I want you to arch like over my hand.
Oh.
Yeah, see how that's locked?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta unlock this segment here.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead on your stomach again. Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Locked again, wow.
Oh, that's good.
Let you breathe, I gotta go switch to the
Oh.
other side anyway. All the way out.
Oh.
Woo. All right, back to the beginning.
I feel like I have a new hand now. That's how it felt. It's like cause blood or something.
We're reconnecting pieces, yes, all right. Again, keep breathing, keep breathing. I can breathe with you. Oh, there we go. Yeah, breathe. Ugh. There's your nuts. There we go. I'm gonna push Well, you weren't kidding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right.
Huh.
I gotta back off here. This is like okay, a little cold. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh my God. There it goes. Okay. All right.
Ooh.
All right, this side. We start all over again. All right. It just needs time. It's time to heal. It's okay. I'm gonna give it a break. Well, I'm not giving you a break. I'm moving on to another side. Breathe. And out. I'm gonna bounce. Okay, bouncing on the joints. Wow. Again. You almost need the drop piece.
The drop piece.
Yeah, I know. You don't usually use it on fat people, but you're so stuck. There it is.
Ooh.
Yay!
Oh.
Snap, crackle, pop. Deep breath in. See that?
Oof.
That was it. You had to have felt that one.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. We miss the cracks when we do it that way. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? But it.
I can feel it. My throat opened up. That kind of feeling.
Yeah, you just. No. Okay. Yeah, he's got this. Now go ahead. There it is.
Oh, it popped
I
a little
know
bit.
it did. Because this is, I can't take you to here. I haven't been able to. Now, go ahead and raise the arm up. Is it still stiff?
No, it feels way looser. Yeah, see, like there's no like blockage anymore, and I didn't fix anything. I just raise it up like from normal. See, this is the highest I can go now.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, compared to like this.
All right, now do this one. Oh,
Yeah.
this one's even more range of motion.
Yeah,
All right,
but
then
that's like the end.
that's the end.
Yep, I can't go
Further.
further. Yeah.
Okay, then raise this down. Lower this down. Sorry, raise this down.
Yeah.
That's some confusing instructions there, Doc.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's just rolling.
Yeah.
I'm pushing and it just rolled. It's meant to move. It's okay. You don't want things stiff. This isn't bone.
Yeah.
Put your hand on your hip for me. I'm just not able. Yet I'm not able to get it. There it is. I feel like. Hold on.
Oh.
All right. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to go the other way around. It's still stuck there. Okay.
Yeah.
Head up for me. Trying to figure out what it is that's blocking you. Like, is it truly this? Arm across your chest? I'm going through all the muscle groups. Oh man. Typing. Something you're doing. Then relax your arm. Now go ahead. Up again.
Oh, what? I was not expecting that. Look at this. Yeah.
You popped it back in place yourself.
Yeah, I heard the pop and everything. It just goes like.
There
whoa.
you go. Okay.
That was really nice.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah. Oh. Whew.
Good
That
job.
was satisfying. But see, this is what I needed. Like, I'm glad I came. Because, like, the other stuff won't work. This actually worked.
Hard work
Yeah.
on both of us here. It's hard work. I thought I'd finish up with this one here.
Yeah.
Oh.
But definitely that shoulder blade was, like, one of the major problems. Like,
Well, you're gonna be a little sore where I body slammed you here.
yeah.
Okay.
But, like, it's better. That soreness is, I still prefer that over, like, the past, like, you know, just the tightness.
Irritating.
Yeah. It's, like,
Yeah.
irritating. Something's pulling.
I mean, I moved your segments that have not been moved in years.
Yeah.
That drop piece is that's the most powerful move I can do.
Yeah.
Besides jumping on your back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could feel it with my neck.
Oh, it'll make you bleed if I go more. It's pretty
Yeah,
bad.
because it hurts more than the other
Than the
places.
other parts, yeah. It's really, really swollen. This is just to give you some counter pressure against
Gotcha.
my arm. Because as I push, you're going to want to push against something.
Yeah.
Now I want you to look down a little more, right there. Is that also sore?
No, the left was worse.
Okay.
The left was like actual scraping feeling. Yeah.
There was actual scraping feeling. That's what I expected it to feel like. Oh wow! I have to stop pretty quickly there. That's gnarly.
Wow.
Yee. All right, done with that. Now you're gonna lean your body off the table, the upper part of your body, your head, shoulders.
Oh.
I missed it.
Oh. That was good.
Other side, whenever you're ready.
Oh, wait, other side is do I turn?
You're gonna flip. I'm holding you so you don't fall off the
Oh,
table.
okay.
Head goes back for me. Same thing.
Ah. That was good.
That was the whole thing. Very good. On your back.
Yeah.
Back.
Back? Oh, like.
On your back.
Oh.
Bend both of your knees. Press out against my arms. Press out.
Oh, like that.
Yep, but harder. I'm okay. I can take it. You can go
Oh.
ahead. And then squeeze. Squeeze. Good.
Oh, I heard a little one.
That was
I don't know how that works, but it happened.
Okay, there's 3 joints in the pelvis. There's 2 back here and 1 in the center. I wasn't going to tell you about it until we did it.
Yeah, I was not. I don't even know that could happen. Yeah, that kind of thing. I was like, huh.
Lean away. Your whole body, though.
Lean away. Like,
From me.
Oh.
More.
Ow. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, I'm not gonna force it. I feel like I just traumatized you with the one here. I'm just gonna do the bottoms. Same thing.
Oh, it's not that bad.
And back is all red.
Yeah. But I feel good though. I feel loose.
Alright, now we're gonna do the range of motion. Just stand up for me. I still am not done with the stretching.
No.
Alright, so turn face that way, like we can almost see yourself there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go ahead, right arm up as far as you can in deflection.
Yeah.
And then back behind you. Okay, good. And then take it up and over to the side.
Like this.
Yep,
Oh,
there you go.
range of motion is pretty good.
Come on and go up to the forward.
Oh, this is like a huge difference.
You remember seeing yourself.
Yeah, like stuck here.
Yeah.
Like now it's like, and it's like no effort at all. I just go like whoosh.
Yeah, you had some spasms. Now it is going to be a little sore over here where
Yeah.
I pushed.
Oh yeah.
So, which one you pick?
Yeah.
Which one you? I'm just kidding.
I'm
this
fine
will
with it.
subside
Yeah.
in the most a week. Okay,
Yeah.
and then hopefully this all heals together,
Yeah.
and you'll be able to lift it up no problem. Because right now is like right afterwards, so you feel like your best.
Yeah.
Then it starts to like settle in, and the soreness starts to
Yeah.
settle in. And then you're like, oh. So that's why Epsom salt baths are really good afterwards. Like soak in an Epsom salt bath, 20 minutes.